Okay, let's see if we got a chase in this case. Just arrived from One Stop Diecast, located in Riverside, California. And this is the 2026 Hot Wheels Car Culture. Here's the info. Took about probably 2 months before it arrived. And let's see what we got here. Looks like we've got some wavy cards in the center to deal with, but that's okay. First up, look like we got a chase, you guys. Got the Modern Classic Mazda 323 GTR. Love it. It's probably the peg warmer out of this series. All right. One more. Got the Ferrari, great artwork, Testarossa, which is the reason why I bought this series, to be honest with you. The Testarossa is one of my favorites of the Ferrari family. It's got a head, show you the back. Okay, next we have Modern Classic 1994 Nismo 270R S4T. It's a beautiful car. Awesome. Okay, 2 of these. Here it is, another Modern Classics Car Culture Porsche 993 GT2. Beautiful Porsche in this metallic silver. It's just gorgeous. Love it. Yeah, this whole series set is really special. Haven't been able to get the aero styles yet. The styles are going to be really hard unless you know someone, which I do not. So as of right now, they're still sold out due to the R34 Skyline chase. No doubt it's going to be difficult to get, if at all possible. But this right here, this Modern Classic Toyota Sorter in this pearl gold. Oh man. I know a lot of people aren't into it, but I'm digging this one a lot. The color. I have them all so far. I think they've had a total of 3 releases, including the Team Transport. So this is definitely one that I'm completing that collection with. And yep, that's it. Well guys, no chase, but an excellent series of cars regardless. Stay tuned for an unboxing. That'll be coming up soon. I also will be selling quite possibly the whole set. I haven't decided if I'm going to do individual or a whole set of the extras on my eBay store. So stay tuned. Thank you. You guys enjoy. Bye.